Good morning everyone. Welcome to the session. I am Dr. Murugan K, Assistant Professor, Government College for Women, Kolar. In this session, I am going to cover the topics Standard I/O, types of streams, stream redirection and pipes. Standard I/O streams. What is streams? Stream is nothing but data transfer between memory and program. Standard streams are streams of data that travel from where a program was executed. Redirection is a feature in Unix such that when executing a command, you can change the standard input-output devices. For example, instead of taking input from standard input device, you may take input from file. Similarly, instead of displaying output to terminal, you may transfer data to file. There are three types of streams, that is standard input, standard output and standard error. Now we will discuss the concept of each one by one. Standard input. The standard input stream carries data from a user to program. It associated with the file descriptor number 0. Standard input takes the input from standard input device like keyboard. Input redirection. Standard input can be easily accessed from a file through redirection operator called less than. This operator is called as input redirection operator. For example, to sort and display the content of file X, use the following command. Sort less than symbol file X. It means sort command takes the input from file X through input redirection operator and sort the number, send the result to the terminal. Let us check this command on the terminal. Let us consider sort command. Type sort, press enter. Now it is expecting input value from standard input device, that is from keyboard. So we have to enter input values and press Ctrl D. Here, sort command takes the input value from the keyboard. Based on the input, it displays the output. Let us see another example. Consider the file Y that already created. To see the content of file Y, use the command cat file Y. File Y has the content 20, 30, 10 and so on. Now type the command sort less than file Y. Now this command, the sort command, takes the input value from file Y and sort the list of numbers to display the output. Here this operator is called as input redirection operator. It takes input from the file, not from standard input device. Standard output. Standard output writes the data that is generated by a program to the terminal. It is associated with the file descriptor numbered 1. Output redirection. Standard output can be easily diverted to a file. With that, there are two output redirection operators, single greater than to overwrite the content of the file, double greater than that do not overwrite the content of the file. That is, commands with a single bracket overwrite the destination existing contents. Commands with double bracket do not overwrite the destination existing content. For example, cat single greater than file Y. In this example, if any content existing in the file, that will be overwrite. Next, cat double greater than file Y. In this example, if any content exists in the file Y that do not overwrite, it will be append the content. Let us check this command on the terminal. Let us consider the file Y that already created. To see the content of file Y, use the command cat file Y. Now file Y has the content 20, 30, 10, 40 and 50. When you use the command cat greater than file Y, press enter key, type the content Press Ctrl D. Now see the content of the file y using cat command. Now the existing input overwritten based on the output redirection operator, that is single greater than symbol. Now presently the file y has the content 100 and 200. Let us discuss another example. Consider the file y. It has the content 100, 200 and 300. Now if we type the command cat double greater than file y, enter the content, press Ctrl D. To see the content of file y, use the command cat file y. Now we get appended content. So 100, 200 and so on. Here the output redirection operator double greater than used to append the content, not overwrite the content. Standard error. Standard error writes the error generated by a program that has failed at some point of its execution. It associated with the file descriptor number 2. That is, during the execution, if any error occurs, the error message redirected to the file. Example, file 2 greater than symbol error file. This is a file name, 2 for the file descriptor, and this is for output redirection operator. Let us check this command on the terminal. Consider the command cat x. It display error message no such file or directory, because the file x is not created, but we are trying to display the content of file x. Now consider the command cat x 2 greater than y. Now 2 is the file descriptor for standard error and greater than symbol is for the output redirection. This command does not display error message. The error message is redirected and stored to the file y through the file descriptor 2. Now check the content of file y. We get no such file or directory, because this command error message is redirected and stored to the file y. Next, pipes. A pipe is mechanism by which the output of one program is sent or redirected as input to another program directly. Let us see this diagram. The output of ls command sent to input of wc command through the pipe. Now the wc command takes this input and count number of lines, number of characters and number of words and display to the terminal. Here the output of ls command is sent to the input of wc command. Example, ls pipe symbol wc. Here the output of ls command sent to wc command through the pipe. wc command accept that input and count number of lines, number of words and number of characters. The result is sent to terminal. That is, it takes the output of ls command, which display the all files and directories, and pipe it to the wc command. The wc command count the number of lines, words, character and send to the terminal. Let us check this command on the terminal. Type ls and press enter key. So usually ls command display all the files and directories. Now use ls pipe symbol wc. Press enter. It displays 31, 31 and 179, not for all the files and directories, because the output of ls command sent to wc command through the pipe. wc command accept that input and count number of lines and number of words and number of characters from this all the files and directories. So it display 31 lines, 31 words and 179 characters. Here the symbol 5 is used to send the output of ls command to input of wc command. Today we discussed about standard input output, types of streams, with that standard input, standard output and standard errors. stream redirections with that input redirection and output redirection with examples, pipes with examples. I hope you all understand the concepts. If you need more information about these topics, go through the following reference books. Thanks for watching.